Meaning of joint family.
Joint family.
Joint family.
Joint family.
Joint family. Joint family refers to a type of family structure where several generations of related individuals, typically including grandparents, parents, children, aunts, uncles, and cousins, live together in the same household or in close proximity to each other. This type of family structure is common in many traditional cultures around the world and is characterized by a strong emphasis on intergenerational cooperation, communal living, and shared decision-making. Joint families often have close-knit relationships and provide a sense of security and support for their members.